Welcome to our world today, where we work and we play.
Ta-da! Yay!
Dad is cooking something sweet, a super healthy, yummy treat. Who wants to help me bake today? Babu stirs the bowl around, making not a single sound. Baby sets the table right. Everything is clean and bright. Oops, a spill! It's okay to cry. Wipe the tears and try. It's just a little mess, buddy. We can fix it together. Cooking, cleaning, big or small, teamwork is the best of all.